Sir.
Okay. Clear? So, good morning, students. So after a long time, welcome the online physics class. In the previous session, we have to discuss about nuclei, the last topics like nuclear fission and also nuclear reactor and also nuclear fusion. These are the things we have to discuss in the previous session. So now, let me talk about, let me deal about numericals on nuclei. So the first numerical, write down. Don't write down. Already I'll send you the PDF copy. Just listen. Two stable isotopes. The first numerical. The two stable isotopes of lithium, 3 lithium 6 and 3 lithium 7. The two stable isotopes of lithium, 3 lithium 6 and 3 lithium 7 have respective abundance of 7.5% and 92.5%. These isotopes have masses. These isotopes have masses is 6.01512 unit and 7.01600 unit respectively. Find the atomic mass of lithium. There is the first question A, and second B. Boron has two isotopes, 5 boron 10 and 5 boron 11. Their respective masses are, second part, this is the A question, and B, M1 equals 10.01294 unit. Here again M2 equals 11.0931 unit. And the atomic mass of boron, atomic mass also given, that is capital M equals 10.811 unit. Find the abundance of boron, 5 boron 10 and 5 boron 11. So, what the question? Jeevit note question na. So first question ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ? The two stable isotopes, stable isotopes of lithium, 3 lithium 6 and again 3 lithium 7. These are the two stable isotopes, and also they are given abundance. X1 equals 7.5% abundance and X2 is equals to 92.5%. Next, these isotopes have masses also given, and find the atomic mass of the lithium. So ಏನು find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? Atomic mass na find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. That is the atomic mass of lithium is equals to weighted average of the weighted average of isotope in nature. So atomic mass is equals to weighted average of isotopes in nature. So weighted average means the mass with abundance. That formula, atomic mass of lithium is equals to m1 x1 plus m2 x2 divided by x1 plus x2. Here the small m is the mass of the isotope, x is the abundance. So already they have given two isotopes with respect to two masses and also abundance. So here what is the m1 value? This is the m1 and m2. x1 means 7.5 and x2 is 92.5. So substitute that values. m1 is 6.01512 again into x1 means 7.5 plus m2 is 7.01600 into x2 is 92.5. So here divided by x1 means 7.5 plus 92.5. Simplify that. So that is 6.015 into 7.5, 45.5634 plus 648.98 divided by 7.5 plus 92.5, that is 100. Finally, that is 691.54 divided by 100. So atomic mass of the lithium, finally we get 6.9154 units. This is the value of atomic mass of the lithium. Value of atomic mass of the lithium. So what is the atomic mass of the lithium is equals to weighted average of the isotopes in nature. This is the formula for atomic mass of lithium. m1 into x1 plus m2 x2 divided by x1 plus x2. So yavam numerical kottaga given things is very important. Even given things also has a marks. So finally we got the atomic mass of lithium, that is 6.9154 units. So next question, boron has two isotopes is with respective masses 10.01. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಅಬಂಡೆನ್ಸ್ ನ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Let us see. In second question, boron isotopes is 5 boron 10 again and 5 boron 11. The masses is m1 is 11.009314 unit, m2 equals 10 point, sorry, this is the m1, sorry, this is m2, this one is m1, 10.1294 unit. So and also here atomic mass of boron ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, capital M, that is capital M is 10.8114 units. Now we calculate ಮಾಡಬೇಕು abundance. x1 is question mark, again x2 is also question mark. So we consider here x1 is equals to x and x2 equals 100 minus x. Clear? So we know the formula for atomic mass of boron, that is equals to capital M equals small m1 x1 plus small m2 x2 divided by x1 and x2. What are the given things? ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ? ನಮಗೆ atomic mass ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, again mass of the isotopes ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, m1 and m2 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಏನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? again x1 and x2 ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. So here listen. So atomic mass of boron is 10.814 is equals to m1 is 10.1294 into x1 plus m2 is 11.009341 into 100 minus x divided by x1 we consider x plus 100 minus x. X get cancelled, so the finally 10.814 is equals to 10.1294x plus 11.09314 into 100 minus x divided by 100. So this is the now ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಬೇಕು ನಮಗೆ x value ಬೇಕು. So simplify that. So that is equals to cross multiplication 10 into 100, that equals 1081.1 is equals to 10.1294x plus multiplied with 11.0934 into 100, that is 1100.931 minus 11.00931 So clear? So here 1081.1 minus ಇಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಈ ಕಡೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ minus 1100.93 is equals to 10.0 sorry what is that value? X value 10.01294x minus 11.009314x. So subtract ಮಾಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ minus 19.831 is equals to minus 0.99637x minus minus get cancelled, so x is equals to 19.831 divided by 0.99 sorry 19.831 divided by 0.9963 is equals to x, that x is equals to 19.9%. So this is the x1 value. So what about x2? x2 we consider x2 is equals to 100 minus x. So we know the value of x, that is what is that value? x2 equals 100 minus x 19.9 we got 19.9. So x2 equals, so what is the 100 minus 19.9 means 80.1%. This is the abundance of boron isotopes. The x1 is 19.9% and x2 is 80.1%. So ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ನಾನು ಕಳಿಸ್ತೀನಿ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸಲ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ ನಿಮಗೆ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ so masses are given with respect to two isotopes and also atomic mass also given. So find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದೇನು, abundance x1 and x2 ನ find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So here we consider x1 is equals to x, x2 is equals to 100 minus x. So you know the formula of atomic mass, m1 x1 plus m2 x2 divided by x1 plus x2. Substitute that atomic mass also already given 10.814 is equals to m1 means 10.1294 into x1 plus again m2 11.09314 into x2 is we consider 100 minus x divided by x1 plus x2 means x plus 100 minus x. Here cancel x get cancelled, the remaining term is 100. So multiplied, the 11.09314 is multiplied with 100 minus x. So that is 100, what is that value? So here first we cross multiplication 10.814 into 100. That means 1081.1 is equals to remaining term in there 10.1294 into x plus 11.0934 into 100 means 1100.931. Again minus 11.0931 into x. Okay, so ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ತಗೊಂತಾ ಇದೀನಿ ನಾನು, x ಇರೋ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ನ ಸೆಪರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀನಿ, ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ನ ಸೆಪರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀನಿ. 1081.1 ಮೈನಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಮೈನಸ್ 1100.931 equals 10.1294x minus 11.09314x. ಸೊ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ minus 19.83 ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ, which is equals to 10 minus 11 ಅಂದಾಗ 0.9963 into x. So minus minus get cancelled. So remaining 19.831 divided by 0.936 is equals to x. Finally we got the x value, that is 19.9%. So you know the x value means x2 na find out ಮಾಡೋದು easy. We consider x2 is equals to 100 minus x. So 100 minus x means 100 minus, already we know the x value 19.9, 100 minus 19.9 means x2 is equals to 80.1%. So finally we got the two isotopes of abundance, x1 is 19.9% and x2 is 80.1%. This is the answer for this numerical. Okay, clear? So the solution send ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು, so ನೀವೇನು ನೋಟ್ ಡೌನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು, ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? So next numerical, the three stable isotopes of neon, three stable isotopes of neon three stable isotopes of neon, 10 neon 20, 10 neon 21 and 10 neon 22 have respective abundance x1 is equals to 90.5%, x2 is equals to 0.27%, and X3 is equals to 9.22%. The atomic mass of the three isotopes, atomic mass also given, M1, that is equals to 19.99 unit, M2 equals 20.99 unit, M3 is equals to 21.99 unit. Respectively, obtain the average atomic mass of neon. So ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಯಾವುದೋ ನ್ಯೂಮರಿಕಲ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ನ್ಯೂಮರಿಕಲ್ ನ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ three isotopes of neon ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. One is 10 neon, 20, 10 neon, 21, 10 neon, 22 respectively, with abundance 90.5%, 0.27% and 9.22%. So abundance also given. Then atomic mass of three isotopes, masses are given. The one is 19.99 unit, 20.99 unit, again 21.99 unit. So what we calculated here means obtain our average atomic mass of the neon. So we know the formula of atomic mass. Here average atomic mass of neon is equals to capital M. Also already I told you in the previous problem, our atomic mass is equals to weighted average of isotope in the nature. So that means here three isotopes are given. One is M1 X1, again M2 X2, M3 X3 divided by X1 plus X2 plus X3. Substitute that values. M1 is 19.99 into X1 is 90.5% plus M2 is 20.99 into X2 is 0.27% plus M3 21.99 into 0, what is that? X3 9.22% divided by X1 plus X2 plus X3. So X1 is 19.5 plus 0.27 plus 9.22. So calculate ಮಾಡಿ. Just finally that is 2017.71 divided by 100. So that is capital M is equals to 20.177 unit. This is the average atomic mass of neon. Clear? So next numerical, right on next numerical, calculate the mass defect. This numerical is the different. Calculate the mass defect and specific binding energy of 7 nitrogen 14 given the rest mass of nitrogen nucleus is 14 point capital M 14.00307 atomic mass unit. And again rest mass of proton 1.00783 AMU atomic mass unit. And again rest mass of neutron, that is 1.00867 atomic unit. So here what they are given, calculate the mass defect. What is the mass defect? Difference between sum of masses of nucleons to form a stable nuclei and the rest mass of the nucleus. That is the definition we already studied in the previous session. Okay, so mass defect means it is a difference between sum of masses of nucleons and it's forming a stable nuclei and rest mass of the nucleus. Already we are given expression for mass defect, that is delta M Z MP, mass of the proton, plus A minus Z Mn minus rest mass of the nucleus. Here these are the given things. So what are the isotopes? 7, nitrogen 14. Here atomic number is 7, mass number is 14. What we calculated? So calculate the mass defect and specific binding energy. Here mass defect is, already we know that expression mass defect is equals to, we consider mass defect is delta M. Mass defect means the difference between sum of nucleons forming a stable nuclei and rest mass of the nucleus. So already they are given mass of the nucleus and again mass of proton, mass of neutron, and here the expression of mass defect is Z MP plus A minus Z Mn whole and rest mass of the nucleus So substitute that value. Delta M equals, atomic number is 7 into mass of the proton 1.00783 plus A minus Z. What is the mass number? 14 minus Z. 14 minus Z means 14 minus 17. Here 14 minus 17 into mass of the neutron is 1.00867 minus rest mass of nucleus 14.00307. So here delta M equals 1.0783. 7 into 1.00783, that is equals to 7.05481 plus 14 minus 7. 14 minus 7 means 7. 7 into 0.867. 7 into 1.00867, that is 7.06069 minus rest mass of proton 14.00307. So here that is plus 7.0548, 14.11, 14.11549 minus 14.00307.
307 delta M equals minus 0.307, that is equals to 0.1124 A atomic mass unit. This is the mass defect of the nitrogen. Mass defect of the nitrogen. Just 1 minute. Some technical issue. Here. This is the mass defect of the nitrogen. So next, ಏನು find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? Specific binding energy of nitrogen. So binding energy means specific binding energy is equals to EB equals delta mass defect into 931 mega electron volt. 931 mega electron volts. So already you know the mass defect, that is 0.1124 into 931 mega electron volt, that is equals to, calculate madi, into 931, that is equals to 104.7285. Sorry, 104.66302 mega electron volt. This is the binding energy of the nitrogen, and units are very important, including units also. The marks, 1 marks irutte units ge. This is the mass defect. Yada ಒಂದು numerical ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ find the mass defect and binding energy ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ, so we are using the formula of mass defect, that is ZMP plus E minus ZMN minus rest mass of the nucleus. This is the binding energy of the nucleus, that is EB is equals to mass defect with the multiplication with 931 mega electron volts. Finally we got the binding energy of the nucleus. Clear? So this is the answer for this numerical. Next question. So and one more thing, this is the binding energy again. Specific binding energy means binding energy per nucleon, that is equals to EBN equals binding energy by mass number. Binding energy by mass number, that is, what is the binding energy? 104.66302 divided by mass number is 14. That is, binding energy for nucleon is equals to 7.48 mega electron volt. This is the binding energy anta kottaga mass defect with 931. Binding energy per nucleon kottaga binding energy with mass number divided by mass number madre binding energy per nucleon sigutte. So the next numerical, obtain binding energy of nuclei. Obtain the binding energy of nuclei. Binding energy of nuclei: 26 iron 56, 26 Fe 56, and 83 bismuth 209. 83 Bi 209 in units of mega electron volts. Units of MeV, mega electron volt, from the following data. So what they are given: 56 mass of the 26 Fe 56 is equals to 55.939 atomic mass unit. Again, mass of the bismuth 83 bismuth 209, that is equals to 208.980 388 atomic unit. Next, which nucleus has a greater binding energy per nucleon? 1 AMU is equals to 931.5 mega electron volts. These are the given things. So first ಏನು ಕೇಳಿದರೆ obtain the binding energy of nuclei. So binding energy of the nuclei of find out ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ there are two nuclei. One is iron and other one is bismuth. So for iron we calculated first iron. For iron 26 Fe 56. So here what is the atomic number is 26, mass number is 56. We know the value of proton. Mass of the proton is 1.007825 units. Mass of the neutron is 1.008665 units. Mass of the nucleus. So let's listen. Delta M mass defect is equals to ZMP plus A minus Z Mn minus rest mass of the nucleus. So here Z is 26 into mass of the proton is 1.00782 plus A minus Z means 56 minus 26, that is 30 into mass of the neutron is 1.0866454 minus rest mass of nucleus. Mass of the iron is given 55.934939. So delta M is equals to 26 into 1.00782. That means calculate ಮಾಡಿ ಬೇಗ 26 into 26 into 1.00782, that is equals to 26.20332 plus 30 into 1.08654, that is 30.2599 minus rest mass of the nucleus is 55.934939. So where delta M is equals to 26.20332 plus 30.2599. 30.2599, that is equals to 56.4632 minus 55.934939. So where delta M is equals to minus 55 56.4632 minus 55.934931 that is equals to 0.5282 0.5281 unit. This is the mass defect of iron. Next, binding energy Eb is equals to delta M into 931.5, that is equals to 0.5282 into 931.5, that equals 492.26 mega electron volts. And again, average binding energy per nucleon, that is equals to EBN equals EB minus divided by A. So already we know the binding energy per nucleon 492.26 divided by mass number 56, that equals 8.79 mega electron volt. This is the average binding energy per nucleon. This is the first part. The first binding energy per iron mass defect na calculate ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. Again binding energy and again specific or average binding energy per nucleon. This is for iron. Next time ಯಾವ isotope ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ bismuth ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ. So same procedure for bismuth. So bismuth, what is that? Bismuth 83, bismuth 209. So first ಏನು find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? Mass defect. You know the mass defect formula ZMP. Here Z is equals to 83 and A is 209. A is 209. That is ZMP plus A minus ZMN minus rest mass of the nucleus. So that is equals to Z is 83 into mass of the proton is 1.00782 plus A minus Z andre 209 minus 83. So 209 minus 83 into 1.00 neutron, mass of the neutron 8.8665 minus rest mass of the nucleus. What is that? 208.980388. So the mass, finally we got the mass defect is equals to 1.76125 unit. This is a mass defect. Binding energy EB is equals to mass defect into 931.5, that is equals to mass defect is 1.76125 into 931.5. So EB equals 1640.6 mega electron volt. Against average binding energy per nucleon, that is equals to EBN equals binding energy by mass number, that is equals to 1640.6 6 divided by mass number is, what is that, 209. That is equals to, that equals 7.8498 mega electron volt. This is the answer for this numerical. First ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ, binding mass defect is, you know the mass defect formula, substitute ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ, again binding energy per nucleon. Clear? So that is about answer for this numerical. So it's time over. The continue in the next class. So ಇದರ solution ನಿಮಗೆ forward ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. Okay? So thank you. So continue next class. Thank you. Okay, as I continue next class. Bano?